This is a quick instructional video on how to change out the filters during a service on a 7-inch rack system. The key is that we always change out the top pillow whenever we do a service. It's always the one that takes all the brunt of the grease. Just to clarify, a rack system, a 7-inch, has actually got 2 layers. So what you'll see him do is kind of fold that filter up, kind of taco it a little bit, slips it right in the bag. That gets rid of the dirty, which is beautiful. Now on the bottom filter, the key is, before he just throws away, as much as we want to sell you guys more filters, is he's going to check this filter out, see how he's feeling that, and if it's loose. If the media is not insaturated with grease, what's going to happen is you can feel it break back up in your hand. Whenever these filters sit out there for 90 days, they'll literally get packed in with moisture kind of hitting them. It causes them to pack. So they may be really hard or stiff, but if you can filter around, or feel around the filter media and you can break it loose with your hand, shake it out, reposition it, there's no need to change out that bottom pillow. Again, he's making sure anytime he changes the filter out that that bottom hole is completely drained or covered with filter media. He's got his brand new fresh replacement filter. As always, he's going to make sure, tuck in those corners. He's going to bowl the inside of the pillow material, making sure that it creates kind of a backfilling motion or a backflow where it kind of comes up. That way it wicks into all the filter material. And it's not uncommon for these 7-inch systems. We use these a lot on high volume burger restaurants, flat top griddles, things like that, where you have a high volume output. During the winter months, you're going to find that a lot of times you'll be able to do the service that he just did, change out the top pillow, check the bottom, and it'll make it until the springtime. Whenever you hit the summertime though, the heat's getting way up there, your liquid state of your grease is getting heavier, and it's not uncommon to find both pillows being completely insaturated through both levels. So if you have any questions, call Driploc. Thank you.